Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. We always have some amazing videos, and especially the patient's emotional reaction after we see these amazing Snap-on Smile cases. So today I'm going to show you, usually a lot of our patients just want the upper Snap-on Smile, some want upper and lower, but today we're just doing it lower. But it is just an amazing fit. It looks fantastic, and the patient hasn't seen it yet. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like. The patient's got some beautiful veneers on her upper teeth, but go ahead and open. She did not like the color of her lowers and wanted to match the uppers. And let's just face it, veneers, lumineers are a little bit pricey. So there's no way we could whiten the teeth and get them the same color as the uppers. So we chose to do a lower Snap-on Smile to match your upper veneers. We take digital impressions, the upper mouth, and the lower arch. And this is the Snap-on that we've created. It's white, it's straight, it fits exactly over her lower teeth, and it literally snaps into place. So we're going to show you what it looks like in the mouth. Are you excited? Yes?
Yes.
All right, we're going to go ahead and place this in. So go ahead and open. Now she hasn't seen it. The appliance literally is held by retention. There's no glues, there's no adhesives, there's nothing. It literally snaps into place. You can hear that snap. My favorite part. Bite down. Let me get this off. Hang on just a second. All right, bite down, smile. Look how gorgeous this is. And you can talk correctly, correct? No,
yes.
No speech issue. Okay, we are going to show it to you and get your reaction. So our patient is nervous, yes, because she hasn't seen it. She's so pretty, but she didn't want us to show your face, but she's such a pretty woman. So are you ready for this?
Yes.
Okay, turn the mirror over. Here we go.
Beautiful.
Yeah. It's gorgeous. We nailed the shade, didn't we?
Yes.
It's gorgeous.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. It looks like you just spent money on veneers, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady, and that is exactly how you can apply Snap-on Smile. You can do a lower, you can do an upper, or you can do just you can do both upper and lower appliances. It is such an affordable appliance. It is probably one of my favorite things to do, so come see us. We are in Houston, Texas. I'm Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady.